Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to upgrade the factory antenna. The factory antenna on your Wrangler hangs up above the hardtop and can make it an obstacle when you're out on the trails. Today we're going to be installing this rugged ridge 15-inch reflex antenna onto our 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. This rugged ridge reflex antenna features a durable black plastic construction with both of the adapters necessary to get it installed on your 07 to 18 JK as well as your brand new 2018 JL. This is going to hang down about half the size of your factory antenna, give it that nice sleek stealth look, and also prevent it from interfering with anything out on the trails. With that being said, let's get it installed in our 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. We're at the passenger side of our JL, and the only tool you need is an adjustable wrench. We're going to get the factory antenna off and then throw in our new reflex antenna. Put the adjustable on, get it to the right size, then we're going to twist it counterclockwise. Just a little twist will break it free. If you rock it back and forth, you can spin it out by hand. Just like that, the antenna is removed. This kit includes two different size adapters. In our application for the JL, we're going to use this larger one. You can set aside the other adapter. We're going to start the adapter with the larger end in. Get it hand tight, and then once you get the antenna on, you'll keep twisting it. It'll push that down once you bottom out this on the antenna. Go ahead and grab your antenna and thread it onto the post. Once you have it nice and tight, your installation is complete. That wraps up the installation of the rugged ridge reflex antenna on our 2018 JL Wrangler. This antenna is about half the size of our stock antenna. It looks really great, plus it only takes about 15 minutes to get it installed. You can find it right here as well as many other great parts for your JL at cjponyparts.com.